Today we will study literature textbook chapter 1 titled The Fun They Had. This story we shall read is set in the future when books and school as we know them will perhaps not exist. How will the children study then? They will learn from computers. Margie and Tommy are the two main characters in this story. They are brother and sister. Margie wrote in her diary, page headed 17 May 2157, she wrote, today her brother Tommy found a real book. Real book means a book which is printed on a piece of paper. This book was a very old book. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on the paper. They turned the paper, both Margie and Tommy. The paper was yellow and crinkly, and it was very old book. The letters on the book was not moving at all. It was fixed at one place, and when they turned back, they saw the same thing, same words appeared. They read it the first time. Margie was surprised to see the real book, and she wanted to know more about the book and the old kind of school. Then Tommy told her that we will learn more about the old book after the school. Margaret didn't like to go to school. She doesn't want to attend her classes. As the mechanical teacher giving her test after test in geography, and she was doing worse and worse until her mother decided to send her to the county inspector. The county inspector was a little man with red face. He has all the tools, dials and wires. When he saw Margie, he smiled at her. He also gave her an apple and supported her. The part Margie hated most was the position she had to put homework and the test paper. She always had to write them out through the computer code called punch code. They made her learn when she was 6 years old, and the mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. Seeing that, the inspector became happier and smiled after he was finished, and patted Margie, appreciated Margie on her head, and then he turned to her mother and said, this was not Margie's fault because the geography sector was geared a little too quick, not up to her level. These things happens. So he also told Margie's mother that he had slowed it up, average 10 years level actually. Students, I want to tell you, Margie is 11 years old while Tommy is 13 years old. Margie thought her mother will ask the teacher to leave her, but she did not do this. Now Margie was disappointed. She had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether, but it was not the case. Tommy was older than Margie. He looked at Margie with superior eyes and told her that this is not the our kind of a school. This is old kind of a school where the children comes from the surroundings, enter into the school, they sit in the classroom, read the same thing, do the same homework, etc., etc. Then Margie wanted to know, in the old kind of a school, there were teachers. Tommy said, yes, in olden school there were teachers, but they were not the mechanical teacher or the robotic teacher, they were human being. The school going children, boys and girls, do the read the same thing, and they also, the teachers rather, told the boys and girls to do the homework and ask them questions. Then Margie thought what fun they had in the old kind of a school. They read the same thing, they do the homework, they can share the homework, but Margie's school was next to her bedroom. She had no excitement at all, so she doesn't want to attend her classes. She was always thinking about the old kind of a school. In this way, this chapter, the fun they had, come to an end. Now we will discuss the questions answer from this chapter. The first question is, how old are Margie and Tommy? Margie is 11 years old and Tommy is 13 years old. What did Margie write in her diary? She wrote in her diary that today Tommy found a real book. Had Margie ever seen a book before? No, Margie had never seen a book before. What things about the book did she find strange? She found that the book was printed on the paper, the words stood still and did not move as they did on the screen. When she turned back, the page before it had the same word it had when she read it for the first time. What do you think a telebook is? I think a telebook is a book appear on the computer screen. In other words, a telebook is a book having e-text. Where was Margie's school? Did she have any classmates? Margie's school was next to her bedroom. She didn't have any classmates. What subject did Margie and Tommy learn? They learned history, geography, and mathematics. In this way, the chapter question answer of this chapter have been completed. Thank you, student. Thank you very much.